Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another session of Physics Unveiled. In this particular session, we will be presenting a solution of our DPP. And the problem is just right before you, in which it is about an reaction time of a driver needed to apply brakes. So assume that a car is able to stop with a retardation of 8 meters per second square, and that a driver can react to an emergency in 0.5 seconds, and calculate the overall stopping distance of the car for a speed of 60 km per hour. The problem is very simple and straightforward, and sometime you'll find this kind of problem in your competitive examinations. So let us try to understand the concept that how we are going to address this problem. So this is a car which is moving at a speed of मान लो suppose that v, and उसको कुछ देर बाद मान लो कि कुछ एक आदमी दिखता है रोड पे. तो रोड पे जैसे आदमी दिखता है, ये क्या करेगा, ब्रेक लगाएगा. तो इसको देख के ब्रेक लगाने का जो टाइम है वो टाइम है, मान लो यहाँ पे ब्रेक, यहाँ पे देखा इसने, इस जगह पे स्पॉट किया और यहाँ पे जाके एक्चुअली वो ब्रेक अप्लाई कर पाया. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं रिएक्शन टाइम. मतलब यहां तक जो कार है अपनी वेलोसिटी से मूव करना चालू किया, इस पॉइंट के बाद क्या होगा, वो डीएक्सलेट करना चालू करेगा. ओके, इस पॉइंट के बाद में कार का ब्रेक अप्लाई हो रहा है. और ब्रेक अप्लाई करते करते मान लो कि वो यहाँ पे रुक गया. यहाँ पे कार जो है, कार फाइनली एट स्टॉप, फाइनली हॉल्ट्स. तो इतना डिस्टेंस बेसिकली यहां से यहां तक जो डिस्टेंस है वो अपने यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी से चढ़ा, यूनिफॉर्म वेलोसिटी से. और यहां से यहां तक जो मोशन था वो रिटार्डेड मोशन था, रिटार्डेड मोशन था. तो ओवरऑल जो डिस्टेंस है कार ने ब्रेक स्टॉप करने तक, वो क्या हो गया, वो हो गया डिस्टेंस कवर्ड इन रिएक्शन टाइम and second distance covered during retardation. During retardation. ओके, सो अब इसको देखते हैं, इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे. सो जब डिस्टेंस कवर्ड ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन टाइम, उस टाइम में रिएक्शन टाइम है एट रिएक्शन टाइम car was moving with uniform velocity. Okay, you can see from the figure. So distance covered, let S1 we may write as ut plus half at square from the constant acceleration motion. Since a is 0 here, uniform velocity, as v is constant, so we may write it as ut plus 0. Okay. In second case, you see during retardation, it will be v square equal to u square plus 2 into a into s2, suppose, because a is negative in this direction, this is the positive direction, suppose this is the positive direction, then acceleration is acting in this direction, right? So and final velocity before, at final velocity kya ho jayega, 0. Initial velocity is given as v square minus 2a s2. S2 will be v square by 2a. The total distance covered equal to s equal to s1 plus s2. So we may write s equal to ut or vt plus v square by 2a, where t equal to reaction time, a is retardation or deceleration, and v is the velocity of car. Okay, so you just put the value in this particular equation and you'll get your desired solution. So with this, we completed the solution of this particular problem. I hope you understand this concept very well, and stay tuned. We'll be presenting more solutions. And today we'll be presenting another video on a new chapter of physics, that is Newton's laws of motion. So we'll be, we are going to divide this chapter into various subtopics. So in today's subtopic, we'll be releasing the concept on force. Okay, so keep viewing our channel, and you'll be getting the new concept, and it will just remove your fear of physics. Thank you and have a great day.